what's up, guys? I don't know, sir. My repairs in our building. Also, we are repair one A12 screen. I don't want screen replacement for the A12. And we're gonna need a toolkit, which have these in it. But you only gonna use like a Phillips 000 on it. But you know, yeah, nothing wrong if you have more than one toolkit. So you're gonna need some pry tools, which these are the pry tools I'm gonna use. You're gonna need, let's see, you're gonna need a tweezer, which probably you're really gonna need because sometimes you have to use it. You're gonna need a SIM ejector tool to inject the tool. To inject the SIM out of something, you see me? And you're gonna need some guitar picks or anything of small enough you can fit under certain things. So I'm gonna put over my phone over the side. Hope some of you guys enjoyed the video and just give me a thumbs up and a subscribe, please and thank you. Alright guys, so now you don't want to pray from that the direction I'm just a prayer from a while ago. You actually want to pray underneath it, but you have to find a way if you go underneath the microphone. I think the microphone that no the vibrator motor. So you have to go like the wrong place right. So I actually don't make a mistake right. So I should use that tool if you pull right. So I get the tweezer actually try to go underneath the iron the iron something. Yeah, well iron something actually there. The connector respond. It actually pry up a little bit, and then you can get it free. Simple as that.
Juégale.
So let me explain what I'm going to do right now. I put the alcohol underneath the battery, so the battery elusive get loosened up. So I actually can prep the battery, but prep is very careful because this battery can explode on you. So you're very careful when you do it. So yeah, that's how I'm simple as that. You can do simple try. Don't put in too much effort in it. Just take your time and just take them up.